So here the complete I have completed this stick here. Just I will show here the paths here. Previous video already we have seen the how to compare and draw this schematic to the stick here. So here just let us brief for this point here. So this complete path what we have taken, this diffusion path, this complete path, let us see in the stick diagram once again. Okay, this the closed loop path what I have shown in the pink color. So here nothing but this here it goes here in the stick diagram. So this is NMOS, no, this path is NMOS. So here it comes the NMOS here, NMOS of right operation, right, NMOS, and here from here to other end of the NMOS. So this is the other end of the NMOS here. So here it goes like this circle. This is the other end of the NMOS, right? From right to phi 2. From right to phi 2. This is the other end of the NMOS here. So from the other end, from here, okay, it has been connected to another NMOS of the read here. So where is read? This is our read signal. So I have to continue this diffusion line, right? So this is actually, this is a one more NMOS for a read operation, right? So here it goes, we have connected, this is the closed path and the bus. So understood, no? This complete path I'm just drawing the in with the pink color here. Okay, this is the complete path here. Okay, now let us look into this path now, that is from input to the output of the inverters here. So here for this inverter, the poly, of course, this is a depletion mode of transistor. Okay, with the implant we have drawn the depletion mode of transistor, two depletion mode of transistors here. Okay, for this inverter and second inverter, and here it goes here, right? This path, this point here, NMOS, enhancement mode of transistor, nothing but here this point it comes. This is the enhancement, one enhancement mode of transistor, another enhancement of transistor is this, right? I'm pointing here. Okay, and this is a depletion mode of transistor. So input is across this point, output is across this point for this inverter. Okay, input is across this point and the output is across this point for this inverter. So very simple, here it goes here, this complete path. So here it is. Okay, input and then output is connected to other input here. Output is connected to other input here. So I hope you understand. So here this is a two combination of the inverters. Okay, let us do one thing here, rub everything. Once again, oh shit. So here it goes here like this. So the combination of the inverter, so here this inverter combination, two inverters. So here is goes here, in our schematic here. Okay, I'm pointing here. Okay, this is a one NMOS. Okay, here it goes, sorry, here is another NMOS. Here is a that is for read, no, here. So is another NMOS, and here is one more NMOS. So here it is another NMOS here. Okay, finally, hope you understood this stick diagram. This is a very, very important in this topic here. So actually another important point I forgot here. So VDD. So here whenever you take here VDD, you can see here. So always we mention with the metal, no? This point white here we have not mentioned, we cannot see the VDD point here. So when we go for a NMOS inverter here, so there must be VDD and a ground. That is what we have taken, VDD and the ground, and both are a metal here. Okay, so now let us go for a here CMOS pseudo static memory cell. Previously we have seen a NMOS here. Okay, now let us see the CMOS pseudo static memory cell here. Already we know here true clock signal, we can say a control signal. Phi 1 for read or a write operation, it must be 1 here, right? And phi 2 is been phi 2, it should be 0. Okay, when read and write operation we are doing. Only for refresh operation this value is getting complemented with each other, that is phi will be 0 and phi 2 will be, phi 1 will be 0 and phi 2 will be 1 here. These two for a refresh operation here, right? This is for a refresh operation. Okay, and this is for a read and write operation, this condition here. Okay, so here that is how we have analyzed in this NMOS here. Same logic holds good, just will brief out here. So let us go for a write operation here. Write operation is 1 here and this is 1 here, and bar nothing but here the value will be here 1 into 1 here, as is completely bar. It is NMOS and PMOS, no CMOS. So here this value will be 0 now. This complement of NMOS value, right? So here this is the value is 0. So once 1 and 0 here, okay, this is a on condition, that is a closed patch here. And let us assume that we have a value 1 across the bus here, right? So the bus carrying a 1 here. And what about the rest of this? This will definitely, this will be off here because the phi 2 is 0, right? Phi 2 is 0, this transistor is off here. Of course this is also off here because here 0 and 1, so this is off condition now, right? So here goes bus carrying a bit 1 here, and this is on here, hence value we are writing with this through this patch here. Okay, already we analyzed here. So the bus, only here turning on condition here is 1 as well as 0, so that makes the on CMOS here is turned on here, and whatever the data is present in the bus, that is bit 1, so that will be transferred here. Okay, we are going to obtain across the input and it will be stored in the memory cell here. So here for the read operation here, definitely this will be let us erase this previous one. Okay, for read operation here this will be 0, right? And this will be 1 here. So whatever the data, if it is 1 here, so once it is on here, so the current will start flowing like this. That data will start, data path is in this direction, and we can across the bus we are going to get the data as a 1 bit here. Okay, for read operation, of course this will be 0 no. So this is it will turn off here, and this is also turn off. Only this is on now for read operation, hence the current will flow. Whatever the data is across this point here, current will start flowing, means we are reading the voltage across this point. Okay, voltage across this point now. So accordingly, if it is greater than some threshold voltage here they have said, so we will consider as a 1 volt, else we will consider as a 0 bit, 1 bit or a 0 bit here. That is about the read operation. Okay, what about the refresh operation here? So already we have seen the refresh operation here. This phi 2 we are making it as a 1, and this both are off condition. Okay, so once it is on means here whatever the data is there, already we have discussed clearly about the how the circuit works in the previous CMOS for CMOS only we have discussed CMOS inverter. You can go through that video, hence the data will get refreshed across in this patch here. Okay, for refresh operation you can see the previous videos so that you'll understand clearly.